Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I am so excited. It's the end of September, so you know what that means. It means it's time to get our Button Farm Club Christmas card kit made. This is my subscription club. I've been planning this kit for quite some time, and I'm so excited because I'm doing something a little different using a brand new paper company. This is P13, and wait till you see these designs. They have this wonderfully rustic, vintage, almost European feel to them. And I am in love with this paper. I just think this is going to be the most gorgeous card kit I've ever put together. So you're going to get in your kit this beautiful 6x6 pad, which has 24 sheets. You get 4 of each pattern. So we're going to have a lot of beautiful paper to work with, and the images are just gorgeous. So to go with that, I've ordered a couple of extra sheets of 12 by 12 so we can cut out all these wonderful tags and images. Just beautiful. So there's this one. Look at these. These are so great for our card fronts and all the lovely things we like to make. I showed this to the grand girls the other day and they just went, oh, it's so sweet. So I think we're going to have fun. A great cut apart page of images. And then to supplement this, I found some, look how well this matches. This is Cartabella. So we're adding some of these wonderful patterns from Cartabella. I've got some fun plans for this. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of the Cartabella paper, 12 by 12. You get 3 of the 12 by 12 P13, and then the 24 pack. That's a lot of paper, guys. Then for building our card bases and matting, we're going to get 10 sheets of really gorgeous. Look at this shimmer champagne, beautiful, and it looks so good with this. And then this wonderful avocado. So you're going to get 10 sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock to go with all of this wonderful patterned paper. And then we're going to make shaker cards, 2 of them, one with vellum envelope, one with a craft. And will you look at these? I mean, are these cute or what? These little mini snowmen are going to go in our shakers. We're going to have, to go with the rustic feel, I've got these great rusty elements, and I'm trying to keep these cards flatter because for Christmas you want to be able to mail. But look how sweet these are. And then to go with that, hear it, jingle bells, 10 little rusty jingle bells and 10 beautiful wooden buttons in different sizes. You're going to get 2 yards of this beautiful gold and white baker's twine, and then 2 yards of this beautiful green gingham that matches the paper collection beautifully. So we're going to make a wonderful assortment of folios and cards so that you have gifts to give, you have cards to give, you have a place to keep your Christmas photos from this year. And I will be back in a minute to show you what we're going to make. Okay, let's take a look at what we made. This is a fun kit and it is loaded. There are 12 cards, 2 tags, and 2 folios. So Merry Christmas. The first cards we make are these adorable little shaker cards with these wee snowmen inside. And you've got a gift card pocket and a message spot. One of them is a top fold. One of them is a side fold. Then we make this adorable little mini pocket and tag folio. And look at this, y'all. How fun is that? Lots and lots of room for you to put in little Christmas memories, quotes, photos, journaling. You could use it as a little itty bitty mini December daily if you wanted to. Makes a great brag book for grandparents. Makes a great little stocking stuffer. So there's that. Super cute. Then we made 2 Slimline cards, and these are flat and easy to mail, and the inside is decorated as well. So there you go. So you could write a little message here, put a little photo or something there. And then, let me see, what did we make next? We made, oh, these really fun tunnel cards. These are awesome. I had never made these before and they are super fun. Look at this. It's got a little, it's hard to show it horizontally, but he dangles inside the tunnel. Room to write a little note here. Super cute to put out on display. And then this one, look how sweet, a little Christmas house. Super cute. All right, so that's those. Then, let me see, then we made these really fun step cards. These are awesome for display. Little tags and pockets, little flap. The rusty embellishments look so great with this collection. So that's awesome. You can tuck a gift card in the pocket over there. And we made 2 of those because I like them so much. These are one of my favorite fancy folds. So these are great to put out on display. And then we made another little folio. This is a 1-sheet wonder. Look, we've got a little shaker element on the front. So cute. I can't stand it. And then inside we've got little flips and flaps. A little side pocket where you can tuck in gift cards, tags. Then this pocket where you can tuck in a dimensional treat like tea bags and honey sticks, or photos or recipe cards, or whatever your heart desires. So that's a really sweet little project. That makes a great gift. Then we made these really fun Z folds. So these come out like this. It flips like this. Room to write a message. Little tag over here. These are also pretty to display because they look so dimensional. So we made 2 of those with these big old wooden buttons on the flaps. Love these. So sweet. Then we made a really fun easel card. This is super dimensional, really cozy looking, great to add to your mantel place or on a side table. And then inside there's a little gift card pocket with a little tag. So, and I tried to keep these all pretty flat so mailing would be easy. Then as a bonus project, we made 2 special gift card tags with room on the back to add a little note. These are super to put on a cookie plate or loaf of bread. And then this is a bonus card made just with scraps. And I love the way this turned out. I was really pleasantly surprised with how cute it is. Little gift card pocket down here, just some little scraps decorating. So that is the kit. It is loaded. And the good thing is you will get it in time that you will be able to get all your Christmas cards and special presents made before the holidays. So that is it, guys. That's the kit. You can order yours from the Button Farm Club. This is one of my Kathy Clement card subscription kits. So if you're subscribed to the kit, you don't have to order it. It will come to you directly. If you're not subscribed to the kit, this would be a great time to sign up because this is an awesome kit. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'm excited. Let me hear what you think about this kit, what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see more of, what you'd like to see less of. It's pretty loaded. All right, go get your craft on. Bye.